Today's information update is dedicated to one of our friends, recording artist Dina Delicious. Dina released her debut single, Bubble Wrap, this week. Here's a sample. Amazing, right? Request it at nightclubs and even on radio stations. It's Bubble Wrap by Dina Marie Delicious. And, of course, download a copy on iTunes. There's a link available below. Thanks, Dina. We're all so proud of you. For everyone else, head over to iTunes and download a copy of Bubble Wrap. With this case, socialites.com information update, I'm Charles Winters.